This is standing head to knee pose, Dandayanama Janushirasana. It builds a lot of strength in the whole body, endurance, concentration, and this idea of going a little further than you think you can. Beginning in mountain pose, locking that right leg straight and strong, kneecap is lifted. Take the left leg and bend it in front of you, flex the foot. Take a deep breath, draw the belly wall in, and on the exhale, round over with the spine, interlace the fingers all the way to the webbing, thumbs with the index fingers underneath the ball of the foot. Lock the right leg again, lifting up the kneecap, belly in, and on your exhale, kick the left heel straight forward. Kicking through the heel, flexing through the toes. The first position is left leg is trying to straighten by kicking. Arms are straight. Spine is trying to straighten, right leg straight and strong like a concrete lamppost. Once that left leg is nice and straight at a 90-degree angle, on an exhale, you can take your elbows down next to your calves, squeeze them in nice and tight. Draw that belly wall in again, hold it here, and on your exhale, drop your forehead down to your knee, rounding your spine like a rabbit's back, and then hold it absolutely still like you are a concrete statue. A lot of endurance, strength, concentration, good for the whole body, and release coming out. Same way you went in, nice and slow, feet together, arms down by your sides. And you see even some of the best, most experienced yogis will fall out of these difficult poses. The best thing to do is to come right back, no judgment, no analysis, and start again.